Yo, my name's Anton McGuirk. I ride for hyperbikes and I ride for car clothing. And this is my current setup. Frame. It's a Mike's spinner signature. It's a 20.5 top tube with a 13.5 back end and a 75-degree head tube. I got me frame, me forks and me cranks sprayed at Travis Autos. That's in St Helens, England. Yeah, thanks for the spray, Trav. They're running pretty sick now. I've had them for a long time, so it's I run a pair of Failure Maniac bars. They're 28 wide with an 8.25 rise. And I also run a Colony official stent, Ryan signature. It's pretty sick. Love that stent.
Sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. Get a good feeling, yeah.
I also run snapping Mayweather cranks. They have a tie axle and they're pretty sick, pretty light. And I've also run premium slim pedals with plastic shells on them. I run a 25 tooth snafu sprocket with tooth driver on the back and a KMC chain, white KMC chain. Total brake grip seat, that's pretty sick, nice and slim. My rear wheel, I've got a KG Mark 1.5 with an alienation felon rim. That's pretty light, it looks like one of the lightest rims I've ever felt in my life. I've also got a profile mini on the back with a tie axle and just profile bolts with halo double butted spokes. And on the front wheel I run a profile mini with volcano bolts with alienation skylark rim with halo double butted spokes. Thanks for watching my bike check. This is Dan Shepard, he's just going to do my whole bike check.
This is my fate.